Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 1. A Hero is Unleashed. Oh boy, my new couch is here. This is a real beauty, Chief. I know. We put it in your office. Thanks, fellas. I can't wait to be the first one to sit on it. Calling all cops! Come to my office. You can watch me break in my brand new couch. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Hey! Officer Knight and Greg the dog. You got dirty shoes and dog hair everywhere. You're the worst cops ever. Get out of my sight.
Aw man, Chief is really mad at us again. I wish we could do something heroic to impress him. Uh-oh, the cop and that police dog are back.
Who cares? Aren't you worried about those two? Heck no. Check this out. Officer Knight is a tough cop. Kung Fu grip, these boots were made for kicking. But he ain't got brains. Duh. And Greg the dog is smart, thinky, but his body is his weakness. Please, can't punch, can't drive car. P.U.
Yeah, but what if they work together?
That might be a problem. Fortunately, I've got a solution. Tee. Help! It's a bomb! Officer Knight and Greg ran to defuse the bomb. Which one should I cut? Red or green? Grrr. Okay, green it is. And so... Oh no! I forgot that dogs are colorblind! And soon... Soon, the doctor came in with some super sad news. Boo-hoo-hoo. I'm sorry, Greg, but your body is dying, and your head is dying too, cop. But just when all seemed lost...
Hey, why don't we throw Greg's head onto the cop's body?
Good idea, nurse lady. You're a genius. So they had a big operation. The doctor cut off Greg's head and sewed it onto the cop's body.
What a lucky day.
And soon, a brand new crime-fighting sensation was unleashed.
Hooray for Dogman!
The news spread quickly.
Steady news. Dogman is the world's greatest cop.
Rat! I unwittingly created the greatest cop of ever. Fortunately, I know just how to stop him. Hee hee. The next day, whoa. So you're the world's most greatest cop, eh? Well, you better watch your step around here, bub. I'm gonna keep my eye on you. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Get out of here! Poor Dogman's day had started out badly, but things were about to get worse. Ha ha ha! What's so funny? Today, I'm going to destroy Dogman once and for all. How? Tell me, what are all dogs afraid of? Firecrackers? Well, yes, I suppose that's true, but dogs are also afraid of vacuum cleaners. I built this baby last night. Hey, I think firecrackers would have been easier. Who asked you? You did. This has thousands of dollars of the latest technology. Firecrackers only cost $5. Enough with the firecrackers! This is way cooler! And once I turn it on, it will chase Dogman, and it won't stop until it gets sucked up. Ha ha ha! Yeehaw! Oh, Dogman, let's get ready to Roomba! Woo! Go on and run! You haven't got a chance. This vacuum has a 6,000 horsepower motor, an endless power supply, and the bag expands, so it can suck up almost anything. When Dogman heard the word almost, he got a good idea. Dude, that giant vacuum cleaner just swallowed my surfboard. Bummer, dude. The vacuum followed Dogman into the sea. Hey, let's get out of this water, okay? I can't swim! Besides, this vacuum cleaner isn't supposed to get wet! No fair! Dogman dived down, so the vacuum started sucking up the sea. The big vacuum bag got fuller, and fuller, and fuller. Meanwhile, under the water, Dogman was losing the battle. The vacuum cleaner had won the war. Or had he? I gotta get out of here before this bag of seawater busts! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Petey grabbed on with his claws. Suddenly, the vacuum bag began to rip. Petey got washed away in the super tidal wave. It looked like this was the end. Hey! You saved me! You're not such a bad guy after all. I've got one word to say to you. Rats! The tidal wave got smaller and smaller until it ended at just the right spot.
Hey, cops! Dogman captured Petey!
This calls for a celebration! Introducing Extra Cheesy Flip-O-Rama. Be a flip master. Flip it. Don't rip it. Ready?
For he's a jolly good doggy, for he's a jolly good doggy.
Well, Dogman, I guess I was wrong about you. Put her there.
Hooray for Dogman!